Oh, fuck. 56 Plymouth. The Spring Thaw. Haggerty Spring Thaw. Cool. It's a special interest car. I love the bugs on the windshield and everywhere. That's awesome. Let's see. Got a caddy. Oh my gosh, that thing's dangerous. A few over there. Got a Woody. Yeah. Vet. Morris Minor Woody. And there's a Mini Cooper. Wow, the V-dubs all kind of congregate. Nice. How long have you had this?
I drove it to high school.
No. No. 72. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look at this puppy. It said 72. Where'd you buy it from? Who'd you buy it from? Someone you knew or just?
My dad bought it in the early 60s.
Oh, your dad had it.
1962.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Nice. Yeah. Oh really? I live in Longview, so I'm almost your neighbor. This is, oh, you got the whole story. Have you had a chance to go over to get the free food and see the 39?
Yeah.
You know that's in the same family since new? You know the story on that?
No.
Oh my God, you got the gentleman that's there and his wife, his grandparents bought it for his parents in 38. It's the very second Mercury ever sold at Francis here. So it's, you know, right around the corner. You got to go check it out. You got to swap stories because they got the books. This awesome. This is, oh my gosh. I used to do the Auto Shopper newspaper, and I'm an auto crazy guy. I just love this. And when I saw this car, I'm like, oh my God, I got to stop and see this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this.
First time around, that's me.
Yeah, that's you and your dad. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Nice.
Charlie.
Oh my gosh. Ravens are the best pets. I love birds as pets and squirrels and raccoons because then they can just do whatever they want. This is so awesome.
I did all
Oh my
the
gosh.
restoration
Nice.
after I inherited
Well,
it.
I just talked to Dave from Steve's Restorations. He's the guy that did the one on this one, and they did a 1-year interior. You guys need to be sitting next to each other. I mean, you guys, because you guys have two different stories, but similar, and two different awesome cars. This is like awesome. I've always wanted one of these. You know, Dale Matthews had one not too long ago that was similar, you know, and had it for a while. Did you ever see it? It was there for about a year. I think it's gone. I'm pretty sure it's gone. But this is awesome, man. I'm Mike, by the way. So my website is called AutoHauliks. So it's like alcoholic, but it's spelled different. So AutoHauliks, right? And it's, well, here's a, see that? That's the website. I got to get a, yeah.
I have horrible memory.
Oh, I got it. No, it's funny they let you in with the Volkswagen. No, I was kidding. It's everything is.
Volkswagen.
Yeah, there you go. Well, it's all. That's what I love about this event. It's the best event ever. Oh man. Okay, sir. All right. I'm gonna let them know about this because Mike. I'm gonna tell Mike about this. He's got to come and look at it. That's their son.
I've got a bad ticker, so I probably won't.
No, I'm gonna tell Mike. He'll come over. Yeah, he'll come over.
Right before all the military. Oh, okay. I walked by that.
Okay, almost 5-minute video number 2. And that's probably all I'm going to do. 2 5-minute videos. And you got the DeSoto. But where's the 4-door hardtops? I've only found 1 4-door hardtop so far. That is just terrible. There's got to be another 4-door hardtop here somewhere. The Auburn. The 40, the Merc. The two-door hardtop. The two-door. Where's all the wagons?